If you have a lot of perfume samples just sitting around, I'm gonna show you how I organize my perfume samples using a Dollar Tree product. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because 1, it's free, and 2, you don't want to miss a video from me. So what you want to do is go to the Dollar Tree, y'all. Get this toy collector showcase. You want to get this, okay, because it's only $1.25. It is in the toy section. Perfume organizers can definitely run you some money. I mean, y'all, it can run you some coins, okay? So for $1.25, I think this is absolutely perfect. Like I said before, it's in the toy section at Dollar Tree, and it's only $1.25. So y'all, why not pick it up? At least try it. It does fit all of my perfume samples. I do have 33 perfume samples, and y'all, I did not realize I had this many. Like, it's a lot. So I wanted a cute way and also a very convenient way to store them. So now here's the fun part, y'all. I get to take all of these samples out and then just stick them inside the compartments, and this was so easy. It was really fun to record. I don't know why, y'all. I had a lot of samples, and honestly, I did not even know I had all these samples. So yeah, I do like to collect samples just because I am a perfume reviewer, and I don't want to spend my money on those big bottles, girl, when I could just get a sample. And when you are purchasing fragrances from dealers, Macy's, Sephora, Ulta, make sure you ask for free samples. Sometimes online they will automatically come with free samples, or they will have like a gift with purchase. Make sure y'all get some samples with your purchase, because that's how I got all of my samples for free. I know some people pay for samples, but y'all, I do not pay for samples. So I'm curious to know, what fragrances have y'all been loving this fall season? I have been really into the Mugler fragrances. I've been wearing Alien like crazy, y'all. Also, I brought out my YSL Black Opium, and y'all, I forgot all about that fragrance. It smells so good. I wore it like a week straight last week. And also, I've been wearing The Only One by Dolce & Gabbana. So y'all comment down below and let me know what fragrances y'all have been loving lately. And y'all already know I had to get some TikTok content. If y'all not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok at I am PINKFLUFF. Also, my Instagram is at I am PINKFLUFF as well. But y'all, your girl was double working, okay? I was getting content for YouTube and I was getting content for TikTok. So I was really surprised at how much room I actually had left once I put all my perfume samples inside of the container. Honestly, y'all, I had enough room for a lot more fragrances. I only had 33 perfume samples, and I will say, I feel like this can hold up to 75 to maybe about 90 perfume samples, and I absolutely love that. Do y'all see that? That's only 33. Well, I'll say about 60 to 80. We're gonna say 60 to 80 perfume samples. I'm gonna say that. But what I'm gonna do right here is just kind of separate the fragrances into categories. So I'm gonna have a floral category, sweet. Also, I have some men's cologne samples, floral. I'm just separating them, y'all. So that's how I decided to do it, because I had a lot of room and I didn't want to like squeeze everything into 3 compartments. I just wanted to give it some space and kind of separate it out, so I know, like, if I want something sweet, okay, this is my little section for sweet. This is my men's colognes. These are my floral scents. So that's kind of how I wanted to do it. And this was so much fun recording this video. And y'all, if you love my nails, I did do a press-on nail tutorial. It's like a Halloween themed press-on nail tutorial, so y'all check that out. And y'all, I just absolutely love the way this turned out. If you try this, y'all, let me know. If you can find it at Dollar Tree, which it was easy for me to find because I found it at all 3 of my Dollar Trees. So hopefully you can. Y'all, this is the perfect way to store your perfume samples. Don't they just look so good? And it was affordable. So if you've made it to the end of this video, make sure you like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, because 1, is free, and 2, girl, you don't want to miss another video from me, okay? Thank you so much for tuning into Pink Fluff Empire. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the love and the support.